click on Start and type command prompt. Under the best match, you should see command prompt and then click on Run as administrator. Type Xcopy space quotation marks and then click on the address bar of your source folder and then copy the address. Come back to the command prompt and paste the address in here. Close the quotation mark space and then again type quotation mark. Go to the address bar of the destination folder and copy it. Come back to the command prompt and paste the address. Close the quotation mark. Press space. Important. If you don't have the source folder in the destination path, then simply make sure to include the folder in the destination path and then Xcopy would automatically will create the same folder. /E, it means to copy all subdirectories, even empty ones, and then space /H, it means it will copy all hidden and system files as well. And then type space /C, it means continue copying even if errors occur. And then type space /I. It assumes the destination is a folder even if it doesn't exist. And now once you're happy, press enter. This would then start the copying process. After a while, copying would finish and at the bottom it will write how many files were copied. Go to the source and destination folders properties and make sure the size and number of files match. I have noticed Xcopy doesn't always copy all the files, so I suggest you to watch my another method to copy folders using command prompt, which is way more robust.